Welcome to our exploration of molecular sciences. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of molecules, their structures, bonds, and interactions. This journey begins with an overview, setting the stage for understanding why studying molecules is crucial. From the tiny building blocks of life to the vast complexity of chemical reactions, molecules are at the heart of everything. Through this series, we'll uncover the secrets of molecular structures and explore the myriad interactions that define molecular behavior. By the end, you'll see how these microscopic entities shape the world around us. So, join us as we embark on this educational adventure, unveiling the wonders of molecular sciences, one element at a time. At the very heart of molecular sciences lies the molecule, the fundamental unit of a chemical compound. A molecule is the smallest entity retaining the properties of its compound, composed of atoms bonded together. Imagine the molecule as a tiny community, where each atom plays a critical role. These atoms connect by chemical bonds, forming various substances we encounter daily. For instance, water, known as H2O, consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. Another example, carbon dioxide, or CO2, features one carbon atom linked to two oxygen atoms. Understanding molecules is essential because they are the foundation of molecular sciences. They explain the composition, behavior, and interaction of matter. As we delve further, we'll explore their structures, the bonds that hold them together, and the interactions that define their properties. Stay with us as we embark on this fascinating journey into the microscopic realms of science. Have you ever wondered how the arrangement of atoms within a molecule affects its properties and behavior? Here, we dive deep into understanding the molecular structure. Molecular structure is essentially the blueprint of a molecule, where each atom is positioned and connected in a specific, organized manner. This arrangement, known as atomic composition and molecular geometry, dictates a molecule's characteristics and its interactions with other molecules. Consider water, H2O. Its molecular structure, with two hydrogen atoms bonded to a single oxygen atom at an angle, gives water its unique properties, such as its high boiling point and surface tension. Unlike the simple yet stable structure of carbon dioxide, CO2, with carbon at the center and oxygen atoms on opposite sides, which explains its role as a greenhouse gas. Understanding molecular structures provides valuable insights, enabling us to comprehend substances, behaviors, and the intricate workings of biological systems. Next, we'll explore how these structures come together through various types of chemical bonds. As we move forward, you'll see how atoms connect, forming the bonds that hold molecules together. In this segment, we'll explore the fascinating world of chemical bonds, the invisible forces that hold atoms together in a molecule. These bonds are fundamental to the structure and function of all matter around us. The primary types of chemical bonds are covalent, ionic, and hydrogen bonds, each playing a crucial role in molecular stability and behavior. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons, allowing atoms to achieve a more stable electron configuration, commonly seen in organic molecules such as carbon compounds. In contrast, ionic bonds occur when one atom donates an electron to another, resulting in the formation of charged ions. These ions attract each other, creating a strong bond, typical in substances like table salt or sodium chloride. Hydrogen bonds, although weaker, are vital, especially in biological molecules. They occur when a hydrogen atom in one molecule is attracted to an electronegative atom in another, essential for the structure of water and the stability of DNA. Understanding these bonds provides insight into the fabric of the universe. As we move forward, you'll see how covalent, ionic, and hydrogen bonds each uniquely contribute to the world of molecules around us. Let's delve deeper into these bonds and their significance in our next exploration. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons, creating a strong link between them. This type of bond is especially prevalent in organic molecules, crucial for various biological processes. Imagine the very air we breathe and the water we drink. Both owe their stability to covalent bonds. For example, the oxygen molecule consists of two oxygen atoms sharing a pair of electrons, ensuring its stable diatomic form. Another example, the water molecule, thrives on covalent bonds between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Covalent compounds often exhibit distinct characteristics, such as low melting and boiling points compared to ionic compounds. They are generally poor conductors of electricity in solid and liquid states, but can form intricate and vast networks like those in diamonds or graphite. Understanding these properties enriches our grasp of how molecules behave in different environments and serves as a foundation for further exploration, from simple molecules to complex biological macromolecules. As we move forward, you'll see how ionic bonds differ in behavior and formation from their covalent counterparts. Let's delve into the world of ionic bonds, a fundamental concept in chemistry. An ionic bond forms when one atom donates an electron to another, creating charged ions that attract each other strongly. This exchange results in one positively charged ion and one negatively charged ion, binding them together electrostatically. Imagine sodium and chlorine showcasing this phenomenon. Sodium, eager to lose one electron, finds chlorine, keen to gain one. This exchange transforms sodium into a positively charged ion and chlorine into a negatively charged ion, forming the robustly bonded compound, sodium chloride. Ionic compounds are known for their high melting and boiling points due to the strong attractions among their ions. Additionally, in their solid state, they are poor conductors of electricity, but when dissolved in water or melted, they become excellent conductors. This interplay of electron transfer and ionic attraction extends to many compounds and everyday materials. As we move forward, you'll see how ionic bonds compare with other types of chemical bonds and explore their unique properties. Stay tuned as we continue to unfold the mysteries of molecular sciences. In this segment, we delve into the world of hydrogen bonds. What exactly are these bonds? Hydrogen bonds are weak forces that occur when a hydrogen atom in one molecule is attracted to an electronegative atom in another. Despite their relative weakness, hydrogen bonds play a pivotal role in the structure and function of many biological molecules. For example, they are integral to the double helix structure of DNA, where they bond the base pairs, providing stability and enabling replication. Hydrogen bonds also contribute to the unique properties of water, allowing it to form cohesive and adhesive interactions critical for life's processes. These bonds are not limited to biology. They influence many chemical properties and reactions, making them a cornerstone of molecular interactions. As we further explore the complexities of molecular sciences, keep in mind how these seemingly fragile forces hold enormous power. The intricate dance of hydrogen bonds showcases the wonder of molecular connections. Moving forward, we'll uncover more about how molecules interact and the forces that drive these connections. Stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the intricate world of molecular sciences. In this segment, we dive into the fascinating world of molecular interactions, forces that govern the behavior of molecules in almost every aspect of life. These interactions are crucial as they determine how stable molecules and functional groups of macromolecules interact within their environment. The types of molecular interactions we encounter include van der Waals forces and dipole-dipole interactions, each playing a vital role in different scenarios. Van der Waals forces are weak and result from temporary dipoles created when electrons within a molecule are not evenly distributed. Despite their weakness, these forces are significant in many biological and chemical processes. Dipole-dipole interactions, on the other hand, occur between polar molecules. Here, the positive end of one molecule is attracted to the negative end of another, creating a unique and important bond that influences the physical properties and behaviors of these molecules. By understanding these forces, we better grasp the complex nature of molecular behavior. Stay tuned as we explore more about other molecular interactions and their impacts in the next segments, unraveling the intricate dance of particles that form the essence of matter itself. Van der Waals forces are essential, yet often overlooked, contributors to the behavior of molecules. These weak attractions occur due to temporary dipoles, small, short-lived imbalances in electron distribution within molecules. Unlike covalent or ionic bonds, van der Waals forces don't involve actual sharing or transferring of electrons, but their cumulative effect can be significant, especially in large molecules. In nature, these forces play a pivotal role. For instance, they help geckos cling to walls and contribute to the structure of complex biomolecules like proteins and DNA. Despite their relative weakness compared to stronger bonds, Van der Waals forces are crucial for the fine-tuning of molecular interactions and stability. Understanding van der Waals forces allows us to appreciate the subtle yet powerful ways molecules influence each other. This knowledge is indispensable for fields like biochemistry, material science, and nanotechnology, where manipulating these forces can lead to innovative solutions and discoveries. As we move forward, you'll encounter other fascinating interactions that govern molecular behavior, further diving into the intricate dance that determines much of the natural world's underlying order. Dipole-dipole interactions play a pivotal role in molecular interactions. These occur between polar molecules, where the positive end of one molecule attracts the negative end of another due to differences in electronegativity, creating dipoles. In water, for instance, the oxygen's high electronegativity creates a partial negative charge, while the hydrogen atoms have partial positive charges. These interactions significantly affect molecular properties, including boiling and melting points, increasing the energy required to change states. This is why water has a relatively high boiling point. Understanding these interactions is crucial as they influence the behavior and characteristics of many substances we encounter daily. As we move forward, you'll see how these interactions compare to other molecular forces and their broader implications. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the dynamic world of molecular science. In the fascinating realm of molecular dynamics, we explore the intricate dance of molecules as they move and interact over time. Imagine a world where every movement is influenced by temperature, pressure, and other environmental factors. These movements aren't random. They're governed by specific physical laws and principles. Factors like temperature can increase kinetic energy, causing molecules to move more vigorously, while pressure can push them into tighter spaces, altering their behavior. Molecular dynamics isn't just theoretical, it has practical applications in science and technology. From designing new materials to understanding complex biological systems, studying how molecules dance can lead to groundbreaking innovations. As we move forward, you'll see how these dynamics help explain the behavior of molecules in various contexts, providing insights pivotal to advances in both science and everyday technology. Next up, we delve into the intriguing world of comparing molecular structures, examining how simple and complex molecules shape our understanding of matter at the most fundamental level. Now that we have a solid grasp of molecular dynamics, let's take a closer look at comparing molecular structures. Simple molecules, such as water, are composed of just a few atoms arranged in a straightforward manner. These molecules have specific properties that make them essential for life, but are relatively easy to understand. Conversely, complex molecules like proteins consist of thousands of atoms arranged in intricate patterns. This complexity allows proteins to perform highly specialized functions within biological systems. For example, the structure of an enzyme directly determines its ability to catalyze reactions. By comparing these simple and complex molecules, we can see how their structures impact their behavior and function in chemistry and biology. Understanding these differences not only illuminates the world of molecular science, but also lays the groundwork for innovations and discoveries. As we move forward, you'll see how these comparisons extend to chemical bonds and molecular interactions, giving us even deeper insights into the molecular magic that drives life and technology. In understanding molecular interactions, it's essential to compare van der Waals forces and dipole-dipole interactions. Van der Waals forces are weak, transient attractions arising from temporary dipoles that occur in all molecules. Dipole-dipole interactions, on the other hand, are stronger and occur between molecules with permanent dipoles, where positive and negative ends attract each other. Both interactions play significant roles in biological systems. For instance, van der Waals forces are essential in stabilizing macromolecular structures like proteins and DNA, while dipole-dipole interactions are key in maintaining the stability and function of polar biological molecules. Consider these interactions in biological membranes or enzyme function. Van der Waals forces contribute to the fluidity of cell membranes, allowing proteins to move and interact. Conversely, dipole-dipole interactions ensure proper alignment of molecules, crucial for processes like DNA replication and protein folding. Understanding the strength and significance of these interactions offers insights into the complex behaviors of molecules in living organisms. As we move forward, you'll see how molecular dynamics further elaborate on these intricate relationships, providing a deeper comprehension of how life at the molecular level operates. In our journey through the world of molecules, understanding the different types of chemical bonds is key. Let's dive into the strengths and properties of covalent, ionic, and hydrogen bonds and see how they compare. Covalent bonds are formed when atoms share electrons, creating a strong, stable connection that's common in organic compounds. In contrast, ionic bonds occur when one atom donates an electron to another, resulting in charged ions that attract each other. These bonds are typically stronger than covalent ones and are vital in forming compounds like table salt. Lastly, we have hydrogen bonds, which are comparatively weaker, yet play a crucial role in the structure and behavior of molecules such as water and DNA. By examining these bonds side by side, we can appreciate how each type uniquely contributes to molecular stability. As we move forward, you'll see how these bonds influence the interactions and behaviors of larger structures, adding another layer of understanding to our exploration of molecular sciences. We've embarked on an incredible journey through the world of molecular sciences. From understanding the basic units of molecules to diving deep into their intricate structures and bonds, we've uncovered the fundamental principles that govern our physical world. We've seen how molecules interact, giving rise to the complex behaviors observed in nature. This exploration has highlighted the critical role that molecules play in everything around us. As we conclude, it's important to remember the immense impact molecular sciences have on technology, medicine, and our understanding of life itself. The world of molecules is vast and fascinating, inviting curious minds to delve deeper. Whether you're a student eager to learn more or a seasoned enthusiast looking to expand your knowledge, the field of molecular sciences offers endless opportunities for discovery. We encourage you to continue this journey, explore further, and contribute to the ever-growing body of knowledge in this exciting domain. Thank you for joining us, and may your scientific curiosity lead you to new and thrilling adventures in the molecular universe.